Joining the world in the competition for building humanoid robots, a youth from Manipur has successfully built a humanoid robot. Impact News reporter Bhagda Tarambam and camera person Biswajit Namirakpa bring you an exclusive report.
Manipur, it's 65 and sunny. Today, it will be mostly sunny, with a forecasted high of 75 and a low of 49.
Who am I?
Your name is Roshan.
Irom Roshan Maite, popularly known as Chauba, is an enthusiast of robots and science fiction movies since his childhood days. He has successfully built a humanoid robot named as Important Voice Authentication Live Assistance, IVALA, which can recognize human face and voice. The robot, attached with a mechanism wheel powered by 12-volt battery power supply, can move in every direction. It is also attached with a teaser gun and a hand to hold things. Two inbuilt cameras enable IVALA to recognize faces, and a special Google Voice application enable it to communicate with humans. Irom Roshan said that if Manipuri language is installed in the application, then the robot will be able to communicate even in Manipuri language.
Face detection adaidi migi adaidi akoi object identify tawba mi amna wa ko matamda haidi voice se akoina yamna langba mafam do regazu haidi mi amana haidei ba mai maming correct taragadi haidei ba waje mangondani khangdo haidi arang mafam da leregazu chaka ji ki haidi feature kano haidi taragadi akoina space kan davida akoina mamai leiba khotpa samna bada assistant oina haidi aingona pot ama lokthok loksin adai pithok pisin mangonda danger ama haidi keno mon dangdore hai taragadi magi khulai ama hapiba mangonda yam ka hena aduduna kanabradi kanabasu nataba haidi mapangan son manina haidi yawriba motor no adu mem adu kegum sisina acho voi taragadi ngamakadoiba haidi mapangan no kalakadoiba aina pamjeriba idea adudi adudune haidi mana si makhut ama lejare sumna kana weapon yawjare masagi aduda mangonda haidi kegum khudung thibam dangado le taragadi adu bai masai ngakthok janaba adu defense oina
Irom Roshan is the son of carpenter Irom Tomba Meitei and Irom Ongbi Rekha from Sagolban, Moirang Hanuba Mayai Leirak in Patsoi constituency of Imphal West. Roshan has inborn creative skills and has shown keen interest in his father's profession. Studious Roshan secured first division in the class 10 examination conducted by BOSEM, but discontinued his studies after completing his 5th semester of graduation owing to certain inconveniences. Roshan developed a keen interest in robotic science and researched on the subject on the internet. He took a firm decision to create a robot which can communicate and assist human beings and strive towards his goal. Roshan's parents faced various inconveniences in the process, but their hard works finally paid off when their son successfully built a humanoid robot. They expressed extreme happiness and pride for their son's achievement.
Nang wana sumai honaraga nang kese lo sabji kari kino hana bai baba ni am saw adubu mana hai hanjal hai ima ai sigin line ji ai nan dawri ba sabji jiga ai no pam jiga I on bani na ai ji pam dre na dum hai re ma je khara mangonda laiki kano je khara interest khara leiraktabagi mong ma khara tawre pojai chha khotpagi maram da ma je khara aduda oina interest oina lae ba ma khangde kari haiga to no ai haibam khangde adu mana si tawrak bada akoi da nungai ba amde sum phawe mapana thabak phana wana chaluraga halaga su macha na simu ga poche ubada nudang da khoi imai ja pochallaga bodo yenga nuwe ba phana waro so
If Irom Roshan's Ivala robot, which is capable of free movement with the ability to pick up and open things with the help of a mobile phone, is further enhanced, it will be of great benefit to humankind, especially to the security forces. Irom Roshan is giving a final touch to his Ivala robot for a public display in February of 2020. He aspires to build a passenger flying machine after completing his Ivala project. Roshan believes that supports will eventually follow if one works with dedication and passion.
aina kegumba poche pamna tawgiba natraga ngatangi interest ki oina haidi mina tawna uraga tawgiba thabak haiba ma ani subani na ba haidi aina pamna tawgiba tadi am later su dum tawni ba aina ngatangi interest tu gi oina haidi mina tawna yana haida ta tawsan ba adu tadi akoina cd tawdrasu yaida mathang ama tawga loide khantorakani ba hoi fana pai su dum noi adum nuai.
If one has will and courage to overcome odds, success will happen. This is true for Irom Roshan, who has successfully built a humanoid robot who can recognize visual and face. If right platform is given to young minds like Irom Roshan, our state can do wonders in the field of science and technology. This is Bhakta Tarambam reporting for Impact News, Imphal.